India has once again achieved a big milestone in the space industry, and for that we have with us Union Minister Jitendra Singh to talk more on this. Sir, thank you so much for talking with NewsX, sir. Sir, first of all, what is your take on the success of SpaceX's docking technology right now, and what do you think, how is it important for the space industry in the upcoming years also?
No, I think my first take, of course, like any Indian, I feel proud as much as you do. All of us owe to congratulate Team ISRO. All of us also owe to thank Prime Minister Modi for having given us this enabling milieu which made this possible, because till about 3-4 years back, ISRO was working in silos. Now this mission today, which has been successful, also an outcome of a larger ecosystem, which is many institutions have contributed to it. There's knowledge partnering as well as financial partnering, and there's a huge rise in the space economy as well. We hope to be rising 5 times more in the next 8 to 10 years, which means that in the making of Viksit Bharat's economy, space is going to play a very important component, a very important role. Now, per se, as far as this mission is concerned, it was important that, of course, as you said, it put us in that small league of 3 or 4 nations. A, B, that many of our future missions lined up, like crewed mission, the human mission, Gaganyaan, Bharat Antariksh Station, Chandrayaan 4. They have a huge bearing on our docking and undocking capabilities, because if you have an astronaut walking into the space and trying to enter into the Bharat Antariksh Station, again, he'll be requiring docking, undocking provisions. Similarly, if you are collecting samples from the space, the already existing spaceship, and trying to bring them back to the Earth, again, you would require that. And similarly, if you are sending, if you feel that there's a satellite already functioning in the space and you need to allow it to carry on for a longer while, how do you re-energize? Again, you will like to send payloads. So all these future missions require some amount of capabilities, and with this, and of course, the matter of pride is totally indigenous from A to Z. That's why the docking system was also very appropriately named as Bharatiya docking system. So which gives us confidence, gives us esteem, and personally, of course, I am glad, I feel privileged to be associated with the Department of Space when they are making so many rapid strides one after the other.
Right, sir. So, as you mentioned that it is an indigenous project and process that happened. So, what all opportunities it will, open for the young scientists and also for the Indian startups?
Oh yeah, Indian startups were just about 1 digit till about 4 years back. Again, I said thanks to the government headed by Prime Minister Modi, he allowed us to have wider partnerships, collaborations. Today, it's gone up to more than 200, almost 300. And we have a huge investment happening from the private sector, also from different collaborations, including FDIs. So that's going to be a huge industry in the times to come, the space industry. We are also, in a big way, launching foreign satellites from our launching pads in Sriharikota. You'll be fascinated when I tell you that we have already earned as much as about 292 million euros and about $172 million out of just lending out our launching pads for the foreign satellites to be launched.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking with NewsX. So this was Union Minister Jitendra Singh talking with us exclusively. With camera person Sudhir, I'm Mehendee Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.